Hey you, are you subscribed to this YouTube channel? Make sure to subscribe if you like speedboats. I know I look crazy, but I'm trying to build my boat and that's why I look crazy. Subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so today I got the truck and the trailer hooked up and we're going to be taking my homemade speedboat to the windshield guy for we can get a nice windshield going on. Let me give you a little update because I've done a lot behind the scenes. You guys see there? Nope. Give you a little update before I go. The console's pretty much done. It's ready for some high build primer, and the hatch in the back is pretty much done and is ready for some high build primer. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna have the boat for a few days, so I can't work on it. But I am going to be going to my storage unit and picking up the motor. So I'm going to be showing you today what engine I'm going to be putting on this boat. And we're going to be taking it apart and completely making my engine look brand new. I also covered up some ugly holes here on the sides, as you guys can tell. But yeah, she looks real ugly on this trailer. That's going to be a project for another day. But I got to get going. I was supposed to bring him the boat early this morning. It's already noon. Let's go, sailor. Alright, so those of you who are locals and have catamarans that you built, you know exactly where I'm at. I'm here to see George, and I don't think he's here right now because he's on the line like always waiting.
To an automated voice messaging system.
Well, sailor, it looks like we're not dropping off the boat today to get the windshield, buddy. Unfortunately. Hey, alright, I need to drive. And I'm vlogging and I can't do both at the same time. Stay in your seat. Alright, no, go out the window. Go. No, that's what you want. Alright guys. So it looks like we're not dropping off the boat today. He's not picking up the phone. I texted him, I called him. It's always something. Always something. And I'm on a timeline. I'm trying to get this boat in the water by the end of the month. So I guess what I'm gonna do today is clean up my work area and get the boat ready for primer, and hopefully primering today. Because I'm not gonna just sit around. The plan for today was to go pick up the engine and then bring it to the house and start taking it apart and getting it ready. But I guess we can primer the boat or prep the boat a little bit more and get it primered, and hopefully wait to get a response, because I gave this guy a deposit. So makes me kind of want to build this windshield myself. This windshield is going to cost around $800. So I gave him a $200 deposit. He gave me a receipt, and now he's not picking up the call a week later. So I kind of feel like building this windshield myself, but something I never done, and I want it to come out good. I've had used this guy in the past, and there's a lot of guys in this community who have used him down here that are local. So he has a good reputation. Hopefully nothing bad happened to him. But enough talking. I guess we're gonna primer the boat today. So let's get back to the house and do what we gotta do. Yep, that just happened. Oh my god, trying to clean up my mess and make a bigger mess. Damn it, this is supposed to be my paint booth also. All right guys, we're back to normal. Got the tent upright, put some safety lines here to the fence. We should be good to go. I spoke with the windshield guy. He gave me a call back and he told me that he took the day off because today's Martin Luther King Day and he wanted to hang out with his family because they had the day off. Understandable. So he told me I should bring the boat back tomorrow, but I told him I want to paint the boat and primer it, so I'm gonna bring him the boat next Monday, so in 7 days. So this week we got to get this boat painted and ready for him to put the windshield on and then we're gonna bring it back and do all the rigging and get started on the motor and all that. But today I'm gonna sand it down with some 220 grit. I had sander in the past, but I want to re-sand it with 220 grit, make sure everything's smooth, clean, and I'm gonna spray some high build primer. And that's gonna be the project for today, getting her all one solid color inside and out. And then after that, we're gonna find all the defects, and I'm gonna show you guys in, I guess, the next video how I fix all the defects using my 3M body fitter that I love. All right, let's start sanding. Alright guys, there we go. She's all nice and clean, and she's ready for some high build primer that I'm going to be shooting tomorrow. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do this, make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's going to be my first time using an air compressor and an air gun, a spray gun, to paint. I have mastered spray cans, but I have never sprayed with an air gun. So tomorrow's my first time trying it out. If you're interested in learning how I do it or how I learn, or you just want to laugh at me, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to be making her all one color, high build primer, and then we're going to sand it down, find all the imperfections, fix all the imperfections, and get her perfect for paint. I'm all dusty, I'm all nasty. I'm glad that this is all coming to an end. Soon we're going to be in the water, and no more fiberglass work is going to have to be done on this haul. I still have 2 other boats I'm building, but that's for a whole other video, a whole other month, because I ain't building no more boats this month. Alright guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Have a good night. Peace.